you really know about the past is important. This is a true testament and a test of that. Are you ready? Why are you looking so...
Ready?
Okay.
All right, I will have to take this chashma and put this chashma on. Ye padne ke chashme. And now you all will be a blur to me. When I ask the question, you have to buzz.
Okay.
And you have a... Can I check your sound? You have a puppy. You have a chirp.
Doesn't go with our
So the
personality,
bird...
the sound.
The bird chirpy is yours, and the
Cuckoo.
cuckoo is common to you all also. Kohli. All right. Okay. Bollywood quiz then. Name the Manmohan Desai movie named after a food item.
Roti.
Correct. All right. Manmohan Desai named after a profession.
Coolie.
Correct.
Correct.
A gender.
Mard.
Mard. Correct. Well done. You all are doing quite well. All right. Govinda and David Dhawan have done 6 #1 movies. Name 3.
Hero number 1, Jodi number 1,
Coolie number
Coolie
one.
number
सब
1.
number one. मैं भी वही बोलने वाला था. सब number 1.
Well, anyway, he buzzed. He
Yeah.
got.
Yeah.
All right. Name 3 movies of Akshay with the word Khiladi. Yes.
खिलाड़ी सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी मिस्टर और मिसेस खिलाड़ी
Got it. And
खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी
very good. Name the only movie in which Shashi Kapoor played the role of an elder brother to Amitabh Bachchan.
बोल. I can't remember names. That's why.
Yes.
सिलसिला
Arre yaar. Ajay, we are at 5-1
No, I
right
can't remember names. It takes time for me to remember.
All right. True or false? Jagdish Raj holds the Guinness World Record for playing a police inspector of 144 films.
True.
True. Which of the following is not a real movie title? खून की प्यासी डायन, मर्द मेरा है लूजर, नहीं खरीदता जूसर, शराब की कहानी, औरत की जुबानी.
पता नहीं.
मर्द मेरा है लूजर नहीं खरीदता जूसर
It is true. Which one of these is not a real movie title? रातों की खस्ती मस्ती, बीवी तुम्हारी बच्चे हमारे, रात के लड्डू.
रात के लड्डू
First one. Third one.
रात के लड्डू is a film. रातों की खस्ती मस्ती is not a film. All right. In the song Ole Ole, how many times is the word Ole said in the first sentence? He doesn't know the song.
6.
6. Correct. Name 3 movies with the word Dil in their titles.
दिल हम दिल दे चुके सनम दिल तो पागल है
Correct. Name 3 movies which have love triangles.
हम दिल दे चुके सनम, देवदास and कुछ होता है.
Arre, well done. Which film am I? Like not me, but the film. I was the debut film of one of the biggest stars in the Indian film industry who also had a biopic made on him. In recent times, my name has also been popularly associated with Ranveer Singh. Which film am I?
Rocky.
Correct.
Sanju.
Next. I'm a 1976 film starring Amitabh Bachchan and Vinod Khanna. 24 years later, an Akshay Kumar star film of the same name became very popular. Which film am I?
हेरा फेरी
Correct. Quickly, name Kajal's debut film.
बोले.
बेखुदी
Ajay.
Yeah, बेखुदी.
I know.
When I take time, I know, but
All right, okay. Name 2 actresses from the yesteryears of the Hindi film industry that have played the role of a Nagin.
बोल.
रीना रॉय मैम एंड श्रीदेवी मैम
Very good. Okay, now this is a lightning round. You will both get a turn each to answer the following questions. We will alternate between the two of you. If you don't answer immediately, the question will be passed on to the next person. Ajay, who was the director of Phool aur Kante?
Coco Kohli.
Okay, question to you, Ajay. Which,
तू अजय और तू
me.
sorry,
you're pointing at me
sorry. Which Rohit Shetty, I can't see them without these glasses. Which Rohit Shetty movie has the same name as a 1994 Ajay Devgan film?
कौन सी यार मेरे को नाम नहीं याद रहते.
दिलवाले
Dilwale. All right, okay. Now, Rohit, guess the names of these movies from both your filmographies from their English translation. Starting with you. Truth.
हकीकत.
हकीकत
Okay, you said it. I'm giving you the point. Okay, now back to you. Love was meant to happen.
प्यार तो होना ही था.
Okay, good. This is easy. Uncle Raju.
राजू चाचा
Okay, and we have one last question now. Ajay, I'm giving you a chance to do a tie. Okay, for this I give you 4 points.
Oh.
It's a buzzer. Press it, gets it. Then it reaches a tie. Then we have a tiebreaker. That's
Acha,
if he
okay.
gets it. Which popular Hindi film song from the early 80s is also the name of an equipment on a film set? Hint, it's also on this set.
Jimmy.
Yes.
Super. I was thinking of coffee, that was Sautan chai.
All right. Now we have 11-11 and we have a tiebreaker question. What was the dog's name in Hum Aapke Hain Kaun?
Tuffy.
Yes.
That I could never know.
Well done, Rohit. We tried. Ajay, you came. Your Jimmy was a great. You came right there. It was a tiebreaker. Well done, Rohit. You know your GK well. ये आपके लिए है. Go all in. Whatever that means.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, what does this mean?
What does that mean?
I don't.
Thank
I'm
you
not
so
sure.
much.
I'm not sure it is pun intended, but anyway, congratulations. Well done. Well done. All right. This is the most exciting part of our show. It's our last segment. Is the rapid fire round. Now, you know, this time, and this is new for you both, because the last time you all were here, this wasn't a component, it wasn't a part of rapid fire. But we actually have in that room there a live audience that's going to vote. Can we meet them all, please? Hello. All right, I'm going to take my Google Pixel 8 Pro for the rapid fire round, and I'm going to change my glasses. And before we start, can we turn on the Jacqua lights for the rapid fire round? All right, Ajay, rapid fire. Do you have a sworn enemy in the industry? And if it is, who?
Once upon a time, you.
Sorry, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, all right. Thank you. Shah Rukh, I don't know why I'm blushing. It was not complimentary.
The way you reacted was like a shocker.
Shah Rukh or Salman, who is the more bankable star?
I think, bank balance wise, I think Shah Rukh.
Yes, especially this year.
Yeah, it's been a great year.
All right. The one thing most Bollywood actresses lie about, and actors.
My face is untouched.
Yeah, they say it's untouched. Yes, that is a big lie.
Yeah, it's
Nothing is natural. What do you think the actors lie about?
same thing. My face is untouched.
Okay.
And my body.
Everything
Yeah.
is touched.
Yeah.
Would you do a bad film if a friend was making it?
Done it quite a few times.
What is the most bizarre question your son has ever asked you?
I won't say bizarre. There was this day I came back late from work and he was just sitting at the gate waiting for me. And he was like, Pop, why do you come so late and why do you not spend time? So I didn't know what to tell him. So I told him, Baba, because I'm working. So why are you working so hard? So that you can have all the happiness and you can, have your toys and you know how he was 7 years old at that point of time. He says, I didn't understand one thing. Just explain to me, how can money buy happiness?
Oh, wow.
And I had no answer to it.
Wow.
So I was taken aback.
That's sweet as well. And that means he's an old soul.
Yeah, he is.
Complete the following sentence. Women find Rohit Shetty hot because...
I think the height is convenient for a lot of things.
Okay. If you could take one thing from these following actors' careers, from these actors, not careers, just them, what would it be? From Salman?
Single status.
Single status. From Shah Rukh?
His business acumen.
From Akshay?
His 8-hour shift contract and finishing in 40 days.
Yes, that is something very, very, very admirable. If Kajal were to surprise you by returning earlier than scheduled from a holiday, what would she see you doing?
I hope that never happens.
All right. Okay. In the Devgan household, what would be the most common reason if Kajal is not talking to you?
Waiting for that day.
Nisa is angry with you.
She gets angry at me when I work too hard and I don't take care of myself, according to her.
All right. Akshay Kumar or Ranveer Singh, the better cop according to you?
Me.
Rightfully. The OG, the least favorite thing about being a celebrity?
Paps.
Singham or Drishyam?
No, can't choose, but somebody gave me a very nice idea. He says, "Ab aage next Singham or Drishyam aise banao कि Singham comes to investigate Vijay Salgaonkar."
Superb.
Wow, that means you'll be coming to investigate yourself.
And release it on 2nd October.
Yeah, great, great. And lastly, complete the following. Ajay is never spotted at parties because?
I'm not called anymore.
Ajay is never papped at the airport because?
Because I don't call them.
All right. Okay, clap, clap. Well done. Well done. Ajay Devgan's second performance on Rapid Fire. Very admirable. Rohit, are you ready?
Yes.
When someone's film clashes with your movie at the box office, your first reaction is?
Maa ki aankh, why are they coming?
The rudest thing a critic has told you.
They've never spoken good about me. They are always rude to me.
Oh God. Acha, okay. What would you say to people who call you arrogant?
Actually, I'm no filter. And I'm not arrogant according to me.
It's a misconception.
Yeah.
I know that. Complete the following. Rohit Shetty rules the 100 crore club because
Because he has a great team with him.
circus did not work because
Rohit Shetty failed as a director.
Ajay's secret to staying relevant is
His sincerity towards his work.
if you were to pen down a book on the Hindi film industry, what are the first 3 myths you would bust?
It's not easy to being on the top.
Yeah.
It's like if you're a superstar or you're a big director, it's not easy. It's
Yeah.
very difficult. One. Second would be if anyone is talking to you very sweetly, don't consider him as your friend.
Yeah.
And third would be nobody knows anything here.
All right, okay. Which celebrity, according to you, is fully capable of pulling the following stunts? Cancelling shoot at the last minute.
I think no one. People who
Never
I've worked
happened
with,
to you,
actors
right?
I've worked with, yeah.
Changing dialogues during a take?
Ranveer Singh. He's been a copywriter, so he has this habit.
He
but
writes very
comes
good
up with
dialogues.
some new good punches.
He writes very good
Especially
dialogues.
Funny
in comedy.
moments he creates. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, in comedy he does that.
He's great. In fact, many of his lines, even in the film that I directed with him, a lot of it, like, he
Yeah.
kind of improvised and brought about. He's good. He can also be a shared dialogue writer. Has a meltdown prior to difficult scene.
Ranveer Singh.
He also...
Yeah, even when you're shooting an action sequence, he's like half an hour, 1 hour, 2 trainers will come warm him up.
Oh,
Yeah,
God.
he's like that.
All right. And going bonkers at the rap party.
Same guy, Ranveer Singh.
All right. If you had a free pass to find out anything about a Bollywood celebrity, what would you want to know and about whom?
How are they good with tipping of the paparazzi, where they are going, and then they react?
They react
आपको
surprised
कैसे पता चल जाता है?
after they've called.
Temple, parlor, airport,
Gym.
coming out, gym.
आप हर जगह पहुंच जाते हो जैसे. Kareena said that more than the heroes of your films, now you are the one everybody crushes on the set. How do you react?
Was she talking about men on set or women on set?
No. I meant maybe both are crushing, Rohit. They're both allowed to crush on you. It's fine. I'm sure you look at you blushing, but it's great. Rohit Shetty blushes. It's a good moment. Have you ever made an actor cry?
No, never.
Has an actor ever made you cry?
No, I'll never.
It's 1980 and you are making Singham. Who would you cast in it?
I think Sunny Deol, he would be like good in uniform.
One embarrassing thing about Ajay that the world doesn't know.
He has already told he doesn't like being in crowd, parties.
But that's not embarrassing.
And he doesn't eat with his hand. I've noticed a lot. But it's not like I'm
have
a star,
OCD
I want
issues
to
or-
eat.
I have OCD.
He has this thing since childhood I've seen.
All right, okay. Which of the following statements do you agree or disagree with? Actors should share their creative inputs with the director.
Agree.
Film reviews should be first reviewed by a jury of reviewers.
Agree.
Recreating old songs is an easy way to promote a film.
Agree.
Film should make you think.
Hanta. Films are to entertain. Nobody remembers the film or the story after a point.
All right, Kajal or Ajay Devgan, who is the better actor to have on set?
Both.
Arey.
दोनों मेरी आंखें हैं.
Acha. All right, that was the rapid fire round for you, Rohit Shetty. Congratulations.
I
you
think
did-
he's winning for the first answer. Definitely. If I would have been in the audience, I would have done
I
that.
choked.
The kind of reaction you gave.
Okay, I choked. You know, I've been having a cough. The whole cough, I thought it had gone away. It came back. It emerged in my voice, in my system again. I got such a shock. All right. Okay. Now it's time for the verdict. You have to choose between Rohit Shetty and Ajay Devgan for the winner of the rapid fire round. Okay, we have a Jackoa lounge all set. And we have... Oh, that was close though. 52%.
But even I agree
Ajay
with
Devgan
Rohit.
wins rapid fire. Give him an applause, guys. It was a close margin, but Ajay, you win the rapid fire. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well, well, well. Rohit thinks you won because of the first answer.
Your expression, we were not expecting it. None of us were actually.
But you know, before I end, I just want to say about the graciousness of Ajay Devgan. Whatever the altercation was, and it was a misunderstanding, misconception, we didn't speak, Kajal and I didn't speak. I'm sure that he must have had a troubled time with his own wife because we are such close friends. But he really was very gracious. We were in the same studio. And, you know, I said I want to meet him because he was there and he agreed to meet me immediately.
I know, yeah.
And I went into his van. And from the very first meet, he said, let's not talk about anything. You're close to Kajal. We are one industry and we should. And it took a minute for us to go back to normalcy. And
I think it's a very short life. You should,
Not
whoever's wrong or right, me, you, doesn't matter. Just move on. I mean,
yeah, I think so.
all,
After age and after a point in life and career, I think it happens. Like
Yeah.
people who are young and listening to us would think, "Acha, how they are saying this." But after an age, you know, it
No,
comes
as
with
I
an
said, it takes
experience, I think.
grace, it takes maturity. And for that, I'm thanking you because,
no, I'm thanking you that you also understood. I think we should just
yeah.
never talk about it ever.
And the only thing Kajal rang me up and told me, she said, never are you going to release on the same day with my husband. I said, never again. I said, I anyway don't like to clash and perhaps that was the only time we
Nobody
clashed.
likes.
Nobody likes it. But I said, never. Never with Ajay. With anybody else, galti se ho jayega to ho jayega. With Ajay, never. I said, that's a swan.
I still remember this. Like you all were shooting here at Yashraj and I was shooting in Switzerland.
And also what happens is a lot of people create misunderstandings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Most
they
of the
enjoyed
time,
it.
that's what happens.
Yeah. And you were in
And
Switzerland when you found out. Right?
Yeah, and then I got a call that Karan met Ajay sir and this, that, and they were shooting.
Yeah.
Like,
It was
okay.
here only. Strange.
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
same studio.
We were shooting for Simba.
Yeah. Correct.
Like,
correct.
chalo, good.
But listen, this was such an amazing episode. It felt wonderful to see this kind of sincerity, this friendship, and this solidness as two human beings in our industry. I hope from my heart, truly, that this relationship doesn't weather any storms. It only sees great times, great box office collections, and just great family time with each other. I think that's most important. I think the relevance of both of you is undeniable, but also as people, as human beings, it's special. And I feel like I've learned a lot today. So thank you for being on this season. And before I let you go, I need for you to sign the cup next to you. All right, thank you. You've signed your mugs, and that's customary at Coffee with Karan. Before we go to the Coffee Wall of Fame, I'd like to take a selfie with you guys. Ready? Thank you.
Sure.
We'll take a couple of them because the Google Pixel 8 Pro fixes things that you don't even know about.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Okay, now just fixing it, and this is how it works. This is after I fixed it, and it's done. Thank you.
Oh.
And we'll walk to, but let's take the mugs. Yeah.